Hey there, health-conscious viewers. Today, we're diving into the world of fruits and vegetables, nature's vibrant gift to our well-being. I'll be sharing a delightful list of fruits and vegetables to help you achieve a balanced and nutritious diet. Let's feast on the colors of health. Let's get started. Number 1. Leafy greens. First up, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula. These nutrient powerhouses are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a must-have for any balanced diet. Number 2. Colorful berries. Next, let's add a burst of color with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants that support overall health. Number 3. Crunchy cruciferous vegetables. Crunchy cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are nutrient-dense and provide essential vitamins and fiber to keep your digestive system happy. Number 4. Vibrant citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which supports your immune system and helps your body absorb iron. Number 5. Hearty root vegetables. Don't forget hearty root vegetables. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and beets offer a variety of nutrients and add a sweet and earthy flavor to your meals. Number 6. Juicy tropical fruits. Let's add some exotic flair with tropical fruits. Pineapple, mango, papaya, and kiwi are not only delicious but also provide essential vitamins and enzymes. Number 7. Sweet and crisp apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apples are a great source of fiber and nutrients, and their natural sweetness satisfies your cravings. Number 8. Nutrient-packed avocados. Avocados are creamy and nutritious. They offer healthy fats and a variety of vitamins and minerals, making them a versatile addition to any meal. If you enjoyed this colorful feast of knowledge, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video. Happy feasting on nature's bounty.